Let's quickly move on to an ET Now exclusive now. We learned that Torrent Pharma promoters will be paring stake in the company to fund the buyout promoters or to buy out the promoter stake in Cipla. My colleague Cheryl D'Souza joins in with more details on that one. Cheryl.
We've learned exclusively from our sources is the fact that yes, Torrent Pharma is looking to bid for the Hamid family stake in Cipla. Along with that, what we're additionally hearing this time around from our sources is that the promoters of Torrent Pharma are likely to look at stake dilution as one of the options. And what we are picking up from those sources is the fact that they may look to dilute approximately 20% stake in the company. Currently, the promoters hold around 71.25% stake in the company. So they may look at some offloading of that stake in order to fund the stake buy, that is the Cipla Hamid family stake in Cipla. Alongside with that, what we are also picking up from the sources is the fact that Torrent Pharma promoters have already lined up debt from foreign lenders, and if they are going to look at going ahead and bidding for the Cipla stake, they will be looking at bidding via a consortium of Ps as well. Remember the fact that Hamid family stake buy is supposed to be an all-cash deal. Therefore, the company or the promoters are looking at various options or other combination of options in order to finance this particular stake buy. Some of the key notes is the fact that Cipla and Torrent Pharma both are cash generating businesses. Also the fact being that as per analysts, what they're saying is the Cipla stake buy may trigger an open offer. This if Torrent Pharma is looking to bid for the entire stake, which is approximately 34% stake. So if they're going to go ahead and bid for the entire stake in entirety, then that would trigger an open offer, which would mean that they would need approximately 6.5 to $7 billion for this particular stake buy. Also, the combined entity will also be the second largest Indian pharma company by market capitalization in this, yes, if the deal goes through. And also the combined entity would have revenue of approximately 32,000 crore rupees and EBITDA of approximately 8,000 crore rupees. We did try to reach out with the management of Torrent Pharma. They have not responded to ET Now queries. But yes, for now, what we are picking up from the sources is that the promoters may likely look at partial stake sale, also raise debt from foreign lenders, and also look to bid for the stake with a consortium of Ps.
All right, Cheryl, thanks a lot for taking us through that exclusive news on Cipla as well as Torrent Pharma. I'm sure both those stocks will be in focus today.